Mama eating biryani eagerly, because of he is very hungry from long time. Sai also. Now we are coming to Santosh Bhaiya, Junior Bakadur. Yeah, we are eating, at a very pleasant area. We can see no one is here. Very pleasant and a peak.
మీరు పీస్ఫుల్గా తినట్లేదు, నేను ప్రశాంతంగా తింటున్నాను.
ఇలా మొత్తం తోట పెట్టి మొత్తం ఇలా జరుగుతున్నారు కింద కదా.
Yeah, we can see the biryani. Actually, we have taken from which biryani, Mama? Madina. Yes, Madina biryani. Al Madina, not Al Madina, Madina simply. Biryani center from Paderu. Yeah.
It's a nice biryani.
It's a nice biryani. Okay.
మంచి టేస్ట్.
Our guys telling it's nice biryani.
Enjoying the food.
I think you people are in hungry. That's why you are saying.
No.
No, it's truly
It's
truly nice biryani. Okay. Cool.